and welcome to Chiquita's Crochet. I'm just having a quick video on paper ruffles, which I saw the inspiration on today's live with Casey. Casey was doing some ruffles, and I got inspired, and I am done painting them. All I need is letting them dry. Also, after they dry, I'm gonna stamp, which was both ideas from Casey, color and stamping. So that is cool. I love it. I did sew them all together. Well, not all together, but piece by piece. Let me see. Let me see if I can get one. Yeah. There you go. Look at that. At first I was using what's it called? Q-tips. Then I'm like, eh. I added the color over here, and then I dabbed it. And from then on, I kept dabbing there. So I'm happy with the results. And they all have shimmer. I have um, these that I added mica powder in it, and I scribbled because it's not pink paint. It has additive of mica powders. So those are the colors I had with mica powders. I don't have more with mica powders, but in the future, if I do have ones that don't have any more or hardly any paint, I will add mica powders and add some water and have it as a glitter metallic paint. Like this one I used also. The destash that I got from Rosita. I actually used 3 from her destash that I got from her. Metallic paint, gold, and silver. Is this silver? I don't remember where the name is at. Pearl. Ah, it's pearl. But basically it is silver. Let me see. There you go. Pearl, aquamarine. Come on, focus. Focus, focus. There you go. On this one, gold. So I hope you like it. You guys can do this. Build your stash, and that I think I used maybe 10 pages of book page, and I just cut the white off the edges. Then I cut them in strips of 4. So that was perfect. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment. And what do you think of these? All I need is stamping. So thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you, Casey.